Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we have to resolve one particular error. I'm trying to run that particular project, get analyze system, and got that error. So let's open Windows key and write ideally. Okay, and we have to run that particular main file. So just click on the file and open and select to that particular folder and just double click on the main file and then click on the run, then run module. Then it will give that particular error. So you can see, I'm just make the full screen. Type error. Descriptor cannot be created directly. Okay. First point, downgrade the Protobuf package to 3.20.x or lower and set protocol buffers Python implementation is equal to Python. But this will be use pure Python parsing and will be much slower. And the more information about that protocol buffers. So let's first have to check that Python is installed in that system or not. So just click on the Windows key and then write edit system in one variable. Okay, then click on the environment variable and double click on the path. So see Python 3.8 and 3.8 script folder is already there. So Python 3.8 already installed. So let's copy that location. Click on OK and close and paste the location here. So let's confirm. Yeah, 3.8 is already installed and script folder is already there. So what we have to do? We have to change the version of Protobuf. So right click here and click on open in terminal. Then first check the version of Protobuf. So write pip show Protobuf. Then enter. So you can check the version, name Protobuf and the version 4.21.0. So what we have to do, we have to downgrade that version. So just write pip install Protobuf is equal to 3.20 point asterisk. Enter. Okay, so it will downgrade the version. Now after that you can check the version as well. So just write pip show Protobuf. This will also show the version 3.20.3. So just check out by command. Now the name Protobuf and the version 3.20.3. Okay, so we'll resolve the error. Click on the Windows key and open ideally again. And let's run the project again. Okay, click on the file, then open, then desktop, gate analysis, and double click on the main file. After that, click on run and run module. Okay, now you can see like Protobuf library error is resolved and it opens the project. Okay, so we'll continue with the next video. Let's end this video here and we'll again continue with the next session. And if you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're facing any error in your project, then just let me know in the comment section or you can contact us on WhatsApp. I'll share the WhatsApp number in description. And if you're searching any type of project in computer science domain, then I will share the project list with you. Like we are working on multiple domains: Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, and many more. Okay, we are also working on the robotic projects. Those are the projects and their domain. If you click on any of the project name, then it will open the YouTube video. It will open the YouTube video. Okay, so these are the software and hardware requirement. Let's go back. Open any other video as well, like satellite image classification. Click on the YouTube video. So it will open the YouTube video. Okay, these are the software and hardware requirement and contact us for more queries. This is a WhatsApp number and you can check out related projects. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.